You can add a location to your event by going to Add Location and typing it in. The app suggests locations so you can quickly add one to your event. You can also preview your location in Google Maps, and the app will bring up the Google Maps app on the right side of the screen. To add notes to your event, go to Add Description and Attachments. You can then start typing your notes, and the app gives you a small toolbar above your text field with some basic tools. Select your notes to make them bold, italic, or underline. You can also add simple numbered, and unnumbered lists that can support some basic levels to help you organize your notes a little. Google Calendar lets you insert links into websites. The text that you display for your URL is either the text you've selected to link to, or it is text you're adding to your notes. Both work. Click on OK to save your link. Linked text is blue and underlined, so it's easy to see. Clicking on it shows you the link and an option to edit, or remove it. Lastly, on the main toolbar, you can remove all formatting from your selected text. You can attach files to your events by going to Add Description or Attachments. Or you can just directly go to the attachment part of that option. You can add attachments from your computer or from Google Drive. Uploading from your computer adds the file to your Google Drive first and then automatically attaches it to your notes. For your Google Drive, you can quickly access files that have been shared with you or those you have stored. You can add multiple attachments at once, which is pretty much anything that is in your Google Drive. Videos, audio files, PDFs, zip files, you name it. Go to Insert to add the files to your notes. To remove an attachment, simply click the X icon. When you're happy, you can save to add the event to your calendar with all these attachments.